The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, the enemy with up to 2 company tactical groups, reinforced by mercenaries, attacked Russian positions in the direction of Nikolaevka and Orlyanka in Kharkov region. All the enemy attacks have been repelled. Up to 60 Ukrainian personnel and militants, 1 tank, 6 armored fighting vehicles and 3 pickup trucks were eliminated. In Krasny Liman direction, the battalion tactical group of the armed forces of Ukraine attempted an offensive in the direction of Chervono-Popovka of the Lugansk People's Republic. Russian troops impeded the hostile advancing units. As a result of the fire damage, more than 120 Ukrainian personnel, 3 tanks, 4 armored combat vehicles and 4 pickup trucks were destroyed. In the Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction, 2 reinforced company tactical groups of the armed forces of Ukraine attacked the positions of the Russian troops in the direction of Malaya Alexandrovka in Kherson region and Ternovye Pody in Nikolaev region. The enemy's offensive was upset by Russian firepower. The Ukrainian troops were driven back to the initial positions. More than 60 Ukrainian servicemen, 7 armored fighting vehicles and 4 cars were destroyed. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery neutralized 4 Ukrainian command posts close to Stepovaya Novoselovka in Kharkov region, Kolodezi in Donetsk People's Republic, Trifonovka, Andreevka in Kherson region, as well as 62 artillery units in firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 186 areas. A Ukrainian defense enterprise producing solid rocket fuel, explosives and gunpowder for the armed forces of Ukraine was wiped out near the city of Pavlograd in Dnepropetrovsk region. Russian aerospace forces have shot down 1 Mi-8 helicopter of Ukrainian Air Force near Novotroitskoye in Zaporozhye region. In the past 24 hours, Russian air defense systems have shot down 4 unmanned aerial vehicles over Olgovka, Tyaginka, Lvov in Kherson region, Zelony Gai in Donetsk People's Republic. In addition, 6 projectiles of the US HIMARS MLRS were intercepted close to Antonovka in Kherson region. In total, 326 airplanes and 163 helicopters, 2,353 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 air defense missile systems, 6,104 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 876 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,531 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,805 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.